Hey y'all, remember this deck I built at my house? Well, it's finally getting delivered. Well, damn.
What's up?
I mean, it's almost.
Yeah, this is the back side.
Yeah. You probably won't even need those blocks. All right, I'm ready. Huh? All right, y'all. Watch me scramble around trying to get this deck set in place. We didn't need the blocks for like decking, so we just used pavers, and it took 3 or 4 of us. So the people you see in here, the one in the orange is my son, and the guy in the gray and black is the customer. Now right here we're just doing a test fit of the railings just to make sure that we got everything that we need. Alright y'all, we got them rails on there. They nice and sturdy. And what we're going to do now is get ready to put that ramp right there.
Oh. We'll just sit, we're going to sit it down and then we'll figure out how we... You can sit it down on the wood, I hold it. Sit it down, yeah, you can step up and sit it down if you need to. Just drop it. So that's what.
I done handed it over to the boys now. They gonna get that finished.
Might take one of the boards also. Ready?
Yeah.
Right.
Profile for us. Alright. Oh yeah. Good job.
Yeah. It's in there. You did it.
You did it. Alright, I'm coming. Rolling down. Rolling. work with it. See what
Right, anything that I need is beautiful. Works for me.
But you know, whenever you get ready to, you know, straighten that out, let me know. Because, I don't know if you've been in the garage lately, but I put up 2 different type of 2x4 storage shelving.